To change the language for Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, first we can click on our game if you have it on the Game Pass, and just right click on it like that, move to Properties, select Files, and then click on View Files. Now inside, go for Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, Content, Base, then you should be able to find the sound, external sources, PC, and here's the folder. And depending on whichever language you're using currently, it should have a different name. Currently it's set in English, and if you want more codes for different languages, you can try to reach me in the comments, and I will try to find the specific code. So if you want the game in English, then rename it like that, ENEN. And now when we launch our game, it should be applied in English language. And that is basically everything.